Creating your own calendar or new appointment types can be a game changer when it comes to managing appointments effectively. It marks the second vital step in harnessing the full potential of your calendar for booking appointments. By customizing your calendar to suit your specific needs, you unlock a host of benefits that enhance efficiency, organization, and overall user experience. In this context, we will explore how to personalize your calendar and how this step sets the foundation for a seamless appointment booking process. Now let's dive in and discover how tailoring your calendar to your requirements can revolutionize your scheduling. There are two processes within this step. The first is creating your group, and the second is creating your appointment calendar. We are going to click on Calendars on the left sidebar. Under both the Calendars and Groups tab, you are able to create a new group or calendar. You can also view and edit those already created under these as well. First, we are going to create a group. Here you will add the name of your group, the internal group description, as well as your calendar URL. This URL is what your clients will click on to book. It is recommended to choose something either exact or similar to the group name for this calendar URL. If you receive an error, you can usually add a number to the calendar URL and it should go through. Now that your group is created, we can create a calendar to attach it to. After choosing Create Calendar, you can choose the calendar type. There are 4 different types of calendars. There's the Simple Calendar, which will allow you to connect one external calendar or sub-calendar with specified filtering to allow booking for an event or date range. Next, there's Round Robin. This is a normal appointment calendar where you can add users and a contact can book with one of those users based on availability or priority. Class Booking allows you to create a calendar for a set date or range to allow your contacts to attend a group meeting of some sort. You can even put a seat cap. And Collective Booking allows for multiple users to be added to this calendar, and the contact booking will be based on all of the users' availability combined. First, you will want to start off by naming this calendar and giving it a good description so contacts know what they are booking for. Next, you can go ahead and add your users for this calendar. You can also give this service calendar a path to pull it into a funnel page later on. Next, you'll want to choose your meeting duration, which is how long the appointment is, as well as the availability for the calendar. You can further customize this calendar under the Advanced Settings list. Under Meeting Details, you can add your own logo to the widget, as well as edit the calendar name and description. You can also further edit the information that you put in on the first page. On the bottom, you can select the color that this appointment will show up as in your calendars. Under My Availability, you can change the dates and times that this calendar is available for people to book on. If you toggle on under Reoccurring Appointments, you can edit the settings below for clients to book multiple times. Meeting Interval will allow you to choose how often appointments are offered. Scheduling Notice is how you can control and avoid last-minute appointments by setting up scheduling notices before your away hours. Maximum Bookings allows you to limit how many appointments can be booked per day. Buffer Time allows you to choose how much time you want in between each of these appointments. Again, you can also edit your meeting duration time and choose a date range, which is how far into the future someone can book on this calendar. And lastly, maximum bookings per slot, which is how many people can book per time slot. Under Forms, you can add a custom form if you want your clients to fill out a form about themselves prior to the appointment. You can create one in Form Builder and add it here. If Sticky Contact is not already on this form, then you can choose to select it here. You also have the ability to choose if your client can add guests to this appointment. Under Confirmation Page, you can choose to write a message or direct them to a specific URL after they are finished with their appointment. You can also choose to add your Facebook Pixel ID, which is optional, and you can auto-confirm new calendar meetings. Under Notifications and additional options, you can adjust the settings for the notifications that get sent out to your clients. As for the Customizations page, you can choose which widget style you would like, allow staff selection during booking, insert custom code, and allow clients the option to cancel and reschedule their meetings. After your calendar is complete, you can go ahead and select the 3 dots on the right and select Move to Group and choose the group that we created earlier.
That's it! Make sure to follow any lesson instructions below and mark this as complete to keep moving forward.